Time now for our weekly legal line with our legal analyst, Jeff Hosford from Hosford Law Firm. Jeff, thanks for being here with us.
Thank you for having me.
We want to talk a little bit about intimidating a witness. It is a charge we have seen before in other cases. Explain to us, if you will, what exactly intimidating a witness is. What does it constitute?
Basically, it can be by threat, force, or some other form of coercion against a judge, a juror, a witness, a defense attorney, or a prosecution. And basically what that means is they went up to that individual and they made some kind of threat, whether overt or direct, about what they were going to testify and whether or not it would be in their best interest perhaps to testify. Those kind of things occur.
Could that intimidation have taken place, say, for instance, electronically? Does it have to be a face-to-face interaction is what I'm asking? Obviously,
no. Any form of intimidation, whether through other individuals coming to talk to somebody that's a witness, that individual doing it on their own, or that individual sending messages, letters, writing things on cars, leaving things on doors, those kind of things all come into play. The more overt it is, the more obvious it will be tied to the person that may be on trial. Obviously, people that are on trial sometimes have access to other individuals that may do that on their behalf, but ultimately if they work together, then both parties could be charged with intimidating that witness.
What sort of penalty would someone face if found guilty?
Well, the typical penalty is 6 months to 2 years, but I'm sure the more severe it is, the more dramatic you do it, there's other charges that come into play. It sort of goes into conspiring together to basically stop the charge from going forward, and you look into those things to covering up of charges, and that kind of thing can occur. Bribing jurors, you get the idea. Depending on how severe down the line you go, that can be the problem and it can expand.
All right, always appreciate your perspective, Jeff. Thanks so much.
Thank you.